Welcome everybody. Vamm 23. Thursday morning we're heading to the Railway Depot restaurant. Looks like it's going to be a nice day. The weather should hold out. I don't think we're going to get any rain. We got Mr. G and Tin Rides leading the way up front here. Behind us is Blue Bike and Doyle, his wife, her three wheels, Mr. McStash and his wife, Ray Gregory Rides, Harley Moonrider, north by southeast, Larry 68 HD and his son Jesse. So it should be a good day. Looking forward to another great day of riding. This is the back of the Dragon Welcome Center here on the right. I'm going to film the ride. I'll try to speed it up so it's not so long. So enjoy the ride.
Past the point of no return, baby, on the summer night. A shot of love and a spark of love to breathe. The stars align and the month times night burn like a dried out leaf. Are we leaving on the next train, baby? I do believe. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on. I don't hear it in my song. I'm gonna pull my weight, don't get me wrong. A brand new start and a whole new part. They are big old shoes to fill. I'll be there on that platform, babe. You know I will. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. So you live to be a million years. All hearts are lost by default in the time of a single beat. We're leaving on the next train, babe. So take your seat. All right.